Welcome, beauty queens. I am back. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. My channel is all about natural hair, health, and beauty. Now, at one point, I was supposed to be updating you guys on my braces journey. Forgive me. If you guys are interested in how I'm doing with my braces, I know y'all can see I have my rubber bands in, and I also have a gap that I didn't have before. If you want to talk about that, let me know in the description box and I will gladly give you guys an updated video on my braces journey. I actually have a two-part video. I will be talking to you guys about an alternative way how to wear your natural hair underneath your wigs, and also I will be doing a product review and using those products with you guys today. So to save your time, because I know time is expensive, I will make sure I include timestamps in the description box. I actually used to do this method a while ago, and then I stopped wearing wigs and I kind of forgot about it, and then yeah. So we're gonna get back into it. One of the reasons why I love the mini twist method, I actually discovered this maybe 3 years ago, and this was from Marii, and I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing her name correctly. I will include her video below in the description box. Her hair is long and popping, but I remember thinking like cornrows are cool, like they cool, but they're not, they don't give all of the things that they need to give. You know what I mean? Like, I'll give you an example. One of the reasons why I love the mini twist idea, or just doing the mini twist underneath your wig, is because it is more of a versatile. Y'all know what I mean. It is versatile. So that means that when you, let's say for my ladies who love to take their wigs off at night, okay, you can take your wig off and just have your mini twist popping, okay? That's what I'm talking about. I personally work out a lot, and when I go to the gym, like, I don't want to have my dusty cornrows out, you know, even though I'm not checking for nobody. I still want to look halfway decent, and I don't always want to wear a hat. So wearing mini twists is amazing because you can just literally have your twists out. They can get some air, they can just do what they do. And if you're running errands, let's say you have to run to the store real quick and you don't feel like putting your wig on, the mini twist idea is perfect for you. Do not, okay. This is also perfect for you if you do not know how to French braid or cornrow, whatever you want to call it. This is for you, sis. Don't even worry about it. We're gonna get it flat together. Now, I will say, I personally do French braid my mini twist sometimes, but you don't have to. It just depends on the type of wig I'm wearing. If I'm wearing a straight wig where my hair has to look extra flat, I may cornrow it. If I'm wearing a curly wig, then so it really just depends, but you don't have to. I want you to know you don't have to. The most important reason why mini twists are a great idea is because your hair is more easily accessible. So that means you get to moisturize your hair more freely. You get to get in between in those strands. You get to massage your scalp, and you can even co-wash with this style. Now granted, some people can still do that with the cornrows, but it is just way better when you have the mini twists. Speaking of moisture, we are going to review some new products from Mielle Organics together. I'm excited personally about this particular brand because I am a fan of one of their main ingredients. This is Mielle Organics' new product line, and it is their sea moss collection. Now, I love sea moss. I take it personally every day, every other day. So I mean, pretty much I'm a big fan of, if you can put it in your body, why can't you put it on your hair? For the most part. Of course, that doesn't apply to everything. This collection is ideal for people who are experiencing a ton of shedding, hair loss, even alopecia. Now, I don't know personally if this is going to cure alopecia. You will have to message Mielle Organics to ask about all of that, but I know if you don't know anything about this company, they are Black owned, if that is important to you. The owner and creator of the company used to be a nurse, so she does incorporate a lot of health stuff in her products, and she talks about her story where at one point she couldn't find products to fulfill her natural hair needs. The ingredient that I love in this collection is saw palmetto. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that is also a product that's very great in helping to reduce shedding. When this first was released, she sent me a text and I just went ahead and bought the whole bundle. So we have the Sea Moss Anti-Shedding Leave-In, Anti-Shedding Conditioner, Anti-Shedding Shampoo, Anti-Shedding Curl Pudding, and the Gel Hair Mask. At any point, if you guys want an update on Mini Twist or how I like the Sea Moss collection, make sure you guys let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna start with my shampoo. I'm gonna open it with you guys. I'm just gonna record a mini reel for Instagram, you know, to kill two birds with one stone, because I'm gonna post it on my Instagram, and I'll just put the video here so you guys can see how I'm using the products. And then when I will come back here to do the mini twists. So, let's start with the shampoo. Even though I'm talking about the shampoo, this applies to all the products. The smell is amazing. Amazing. Shampoo was great. It was shampoo. I like to put shampoo on my scalp before I wet my hair sometimes because I just like to massage the shampoo in my hair. But it does say to apply on wet hair. And then I followed up with the conditioner. Now the conditioner, wait, before I talk about that, as you guys can see, I started applying, first of all, let me rewind. I have low porosity hair. So my hair usually holds water for a long time. But for some reason, and I'm not saying it's necessarily these products or what, but my hair dried really fast. And I put this on right after I washed my hair. So I noticed that when I was putting it on at first, it was okay, it was cool. And then by the time I got to this side of my hair, I had to wet my hair. And then I put this on and baby, there was a huge difference. So make sure your hair is damp. And it doesn't say that on here, but I'm telling y'all, this is thick. So when you have your hair a little damp, it does help the product to spread a little bit more evenly, and it just gives it. I could definitely see the difference in my hair immediately once I sprayed my hair with the free spray bottle that they gave me. I put this on, a huge difference. So because I used that one, I decided not to use the gel hair mask. Now if you guys want to see me do that on a different video, or you want to know my thoughts after, definitely let me know in the comments. And I will let you guys know exactly what I thought about it. So I'm probably gonna do maybe a reel or a TikTok using just this product since I already used the other ones. The leave-in was great. It was very kind of runny a little bit, which makes sense because this is the pump. So it's obviously thin enough to have a pump. And last but not least, the curl pudding. Okay, so of course, normally when I do my two-strand, now this, I could definitely see myself wearing my hair, doing a twist out, but for this purpose, I'm actually getting ready to put a wig on, so I'm not going to get the full effect of this, but I can still tell you guys, first of all, it's pretty runny. It's not thick at all, and so I was immediately concerned because I was thinking, man, this is gonna do absolutely nothing for my hair. But then that's why you can't judge a book by its cover, because once I started to put the product in my hair, woo! I don't know if my hair just been thirsty lately, but my hair drank the product, okay? Drank it. So yes, it was kind of wet. It wasn't so runny to where it drips, don't get me wrong. But usually when I do a twist out or mini twist, I usually use a thicker twisting cream. So this was the lightest twisting cream that I've ever used, and it is pudding, so I don't know, I guess it's not considered a twisting cream, so just keep that in mind. But I did use it for this, and when I tell you my hair drank it, my curls were popping immediately. In fact, towards the front where my hair was drier, I didn't even have to use water. I didn't even have to respritz my hair. I just, because this was so rainy, first of all. But I didn't even have to, because once I put this on there, my hair drank it. My curls immediately got defined, and I was easily able to do my little twists. So this is how I'm gonna wear my hair underneath my wig. So I will probably do either 2 cornrows, or I might just put my little wig cap on, because as y'all can see, you know, first of all, don't let the shrinkage fool you, okay? First of all, don't let the shrinkage fool you. But as you guys can see, you know, because my hair is shorter, it is going to be easier for me to put my wigs on with just my mini twists. And what I'll probably do, because I don't like to wear my wigs for more than like a day or two. You know, I like to take it off, okay? And if anything, I would love to take it off every day. So for those days, the mini twists are perfect. So that is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm super excited to get this content out to you guys. You know, your girl been asleep, but I am getting back on it. 2022 goals, let's go. But I had to do this makeup for a TikTok video. Speaking of TikTok, if you don't follow me on there, go ahead, check me out at Hairvolutions. Also follow me on Instagram at Hairvolutions. So that's it, guys. I don't know what else you want to know. If you want to know anything else, drop the comments below. If you guys want an update to see is my hair shedding less by using these products, you gotta let me know. Thank you as always, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.